last text, you already learned to speak. You know what to say.
You look great. Your makeup is very good. Thanks. So is yours. You look really scary.
Where's Pete? Please go to our costumes.
It's very late.
The line in the whole text that I want. It's time for the play to start.
I've been trying to call you, Kate. No. Oh wait, this is Finn now. Hi Finn, what's going on?
I'm really sorry, my car has just broken down. I'm already called Lara if they can't come for half an hour.
Oh no,